listen to this. Yeah, we back, baby. So just got back stateside. I was in Egypt. How crazy is that? So we are in the Toyota CELICA GTS. This is going to be the pickup video. As you guys have seen, I've already picked up my beautiful Tsunami Toyota CELICA GTS 2005 6-speed manual with the most clean interior you've ever seen in your life. I forgot how clean this car is. This car is absolutely immaculate, perfect. Swing by MITCHDORE.COMHOW, grab one of these badges, you know how it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head back. Just like Seattle weather, it's pouring down rain immediately. But you guys are gonna see from the intro video how amazing the car looks. I'm gonna go over and tell you everything that's been painted and how it looks. Beautiful. The car is absolutely beautiful. I love what I did with it. It is ready to install a turbo kit. So that's what we're gonna be doing on the channel. I am so happy to be back in this car. Toyota CELICAs are the best car ever of all time. They're the most reliable, amazing, beautiful, fast sports car. Everyone should have a Toyota CELICA. The GTS, amazing, 2CZ, 6-speed, the best thing ever. So what we're gonna do is keep on driving. I'm gonna go to a nice parking area that's covered because it's absolutely pouring outside. And we're gonna go over the car and show you guys how it looks and reveal this amazing custom paint job. It's perfect, it's perfect. I'm really, really happy. So let's keep on driving and head over to a parking garage. I'm back. So I'm in a kind of an echoey garage. If you guys have been a long time subscriber, this is my favorite cool little garages here. It's a little nook in the corner. It is pouring out rain. I wanted to do the car on a nice sunny day. The forecast for this day was supposed to be nice and sunny, but it is absolutely pouring rain. That being said, I do want to show you guys the entire car in the background. It is absolutely amazing. I got the paperwork right here. I'm going to go over everything and then tell you how much it cost me to get my car custom painted. But this Tsunami edition looks perfect. Absolutely what I wanted. I love the look of this car. So let's go. Oh, one of the other things is I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys saying lately, Mitch, your CELICA content is the best on YouTube. So that means a lot, guys. I really appreciate you guys. That's awesome. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. I'm glad you guys love my car content. I really love this car content too. So thanks so much. But yeah, let's go over the whole car and I'll show you all the custom things that we did. Let's go right now. So first off, I'm gonna start on the back of the car because that's where the main stuff that we've done. Again, we've done so many mods on this car so far. I've only had this car for like 3 or 4 months. I don't even know how long I've had this car. I think I've had it for 3 months, 3 or 4 months, I don't remember. All right, so let's go over this. The first thing that I did, which I absolutely love the most, is this is an 03, so 2003 plus CELICA hatch. So right here, you know, your little hatch pull. On this, they did a custom black. So I have them choose, it's Toyota's black, it's an Onyx black, it's a paint code from Toyota. I love that. So I got rid of the chrome. There is no more chrome. And they repainted that. In addition to that, they actually resprayed the CELICA part where it says CELICA. So that looks really, really good. I love it. It looks very supple. I might get the CELICA filled in with these little letterings that I've had before. I might buy some more of those. But that's been custom painted. It looks really good. The next thing is that the rear entire bumper has been repainted, and then also the little plastic inserts right here have been repainted, and it looks amazing. So I don't know if you remember, but the entire rear bumper, it wasn't in bad condition, like horrible, but it had some scrapes right here from like when people got luggage in and out of it, and it had a crack over here as well, and now that's fixed. So it looks amazing. Whole new rear bumper, looks really, really good. The TRD exhaust sounds amazing. I forgot I had this on here, but it's kind of dirty right now. It needs cleaned up and shined again, just due to this rain, and the car's been sitting outside. The car's been done actually for, I think it's been done for like 3 weeks now. Okay, so the next thing we did, which is my absolute favorite thing ever, is we did black roof. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that is just perfect. I love it so much. There's pine needles all over. I'm gonna have to actually wash the car even though it's raining so much. That looks so good. So I did black here on the hatch, and then I did black on the roof as well. So the entire roof is black. It looks so freaking good. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. I've always thought about doing the Toyota Celica, and I've seen it. My friend, actually, I think I've had a couple friends do this. They paint the entire pillar black. So they'll do this black, they'll do this black, they'll carry it all the way down here, and then they'll make a line from here to here, and they do that black. But then the car just doesn't look, it looks too aftermarket. And then when you see it on the side, it doesn't look really good. I mean, it looks good, just it's too aftermarket to me. It looks like the car didn't come from like that from factory. This looks more modern, and it does look like the car came from the factory like this. It's like an OEM plus. That's what this looks like to me, OEM plus. My MR2 is a good example. I did a black windshield, and then the hardtop is black. The hardtop actually looks aftermarket to me, in my opinion now. But I think this looks really good. So again, I highly recommend you guys doing that. Look how awesome that looks. Looks so good with the STI wheels, the BRZ STI wheels. Look at those. That looks amazing. So black there, black right here, black roof. Now we'll come over to the front, and I think I got the mirrors repainted. Maybe I did, I don't remember. Did I get the mirror repainted? No, I didn't get the mirror repainted. There's still a little mark over there. So the next thing I was gonna do the hood. Oh, you guys can see, I can already see. Look how shiny the hood looks. So we had the hood resurfaced, flush, made flat. There was like some rock chips or whatnot on it. The entire hood, it's an OEM hood, so it's not carbon fiber. OEM hoods redone, all in 3PO absolute black. Looks so good. And then we installed the Tsunami hood scoop. So we removed the raised C1 style hood scoop and went with an OEM Tsunami raised hood scoop on my Tsunami car. Freaking perfect. This is an actual absolutely OEM look now for the Tsunami. This is a hood scoop that's my favorite. It's sleek. It's not too aggressive. It is way more aggressive than the OEM stock one, not the OEM Tsunami one. But it is not too aggressive where it's like the C1 and it looks like an aftermarket one. So I love this happy medium. The whole front bumper has been repainted. Let me go ahead and actually flip the car around so you guys can see that. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and flip the car around real quick. So I felt that I have an old video of my other car, my other Celica. It's a TRD one. Someone's like, dude, this car's not red, it's orange. It looks orange right here. It is a red car. It's just the lighting on the camera or something. It is a red car because actually it kind of looks kind of orange right now. 100% red, just to let you know. Wait till we get it out in the sun. Yeah, once in the sun, it looks way more red. Okay, I didn't do any of the side panels. I didn't do any fender. I didn't do the wing. The wing was in pretty good condition. So none of that. I did do the rear bumper. I didn't do the side skirts, but the side skirts look freaking gorgeous. Look how, I love those. Real Tsunami car. That's so cool. By the way, interior on this car is perfect. Swing by MITCHDORE.com, grab one of those dome lights, hashtag plug. That looks awesome though. What a beautiful car. I'm in love. I think I'm gonna do some, what do you guys think? Do you think I should do, comment down below, do some rain guards? Maybe put some rain guards on there. Look for some JDM rain guards. Okay, so the hood's been repainted, looks really good. The hood's been redone, OEM hood. Now I did do the front bumper, and I customized the front bumper. So on the front bumper, it is an authentic Tsunami front bumper. Biggest thing on here is I filled in, look at that, I filled in, this is flush, perfect. There is no more Toyota hat there, so it's smooth, flush, beautiful. Look how good this car looks. Oh my gosh, that looks brand new. I don't ever want to drive this car, but I just want to leave it perfect. No rock chips. So I got that filled in. The next thing is that you'll know that the mid blade is now black. Not only did I do the mid blade of the OEM, I had them put lines here so you guys can see there's lines and a line here. It'll look good. I had them black out the grill, so they resprayed the grill, the metal grill. And then I had them do black all around this. You guys see that? So it's not just here, and underneath here is black too. See, they did a really thorough job. That looks so good. I had them paint the plastics in black. So they reshot those in black, and it's 4 plastics. So it still looks plastic. It doesn't look shiny like this, but it is re-cleaned. And then I had them do it right here on the side one as well. And then the whole bumper is OEM 3PO, so this is OEM paint. The whole thing's been done OEM. I think that looks really, really good. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think. Is this car worthy of a turbo? I think it's worthy of a turbo. Look how sexy this thing is. I want to keep this car forever. I love the wheels. So much water rushing in the background, hilarious. Okay, so I got the whole thing. So front bumper overhaul, 3 hours of labor, $179. The bumper repair was 2 hours of labor, $116. That's where they sanded it and then filled in that thing. Refinished the front bumper cover, it's $200. And then remove and install all that front bumper, about $145 to do all that. And to remove the hood and to install the scoop. Let's see, middle of the roof. So to prime down the middle of the roof was $29. It's pretty fair. To refinish the rear bumper was $156, and then to resurface and condition I guess it says resurface the condition the roof, I think it is $116. So in labor, let me go ahead and tell you. I'm going to tell you guys the total price. By the way, I got a friend that does all my painting, so you should get a friend that will a local shop. Hold on one sec, I'm moving you guys all around, 1 second. So what I recommend for you guys is to go to a local shop and ask them, hey, can you paint this car, and ask for a discount or a deal, and then say, hey, maybe I'll bring you more parts or more cars. They seem to build on repeat, they'll build and give you a discount. Okay, so total paint materials was $301, and then total body hours, holy smokes, they spent 58 hours on the whole thing to do it. That's a long time. All said and done, the price should have been $2,455, but since he's my friend, it was only $1,200. So I got all this done for $1,200, which I think is pretty dang fair. $1,200 for this. The car was not in the best paint condition. I have painted cars in the past for about $2,500. For an entire car, it's about $2,500. Now, if you don't have a relationship, a shop might charge you $6,000. That's astronomical. Don't pay that. That's like OEM. That's too expensive. That'd be like taking it to the dealership. Do not go to the dealership. They'll rip you off. That being said, I think this is a very fair price, $1,200. Extremely good in my opinion. Comment down below. Do you guys think $1,200 is fair? Again, I just showed you the entire thing that I've been done on this car. I absolutely love this car. So what's coming up next is we're going to end up smoking out those fog lights. So that'll be a new video. We're going to end up doing MITCHDORE.com side markers, the black JDMs. I've been waiting to do that. We'll be doing a front lip on the car. The car is lowered, has new springs, new struts. It has spacers on it. It has the STI wheels. So we won't be doing anything else with that. Maybe do a rain guard video, and then maybe start taking the front bumper off again and taking the hood off so we can start doing the turbo install, because that's what's going to be coming next. Again, this car is awesome. Absolutely love this car. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe. I'll probably be doing another overall part video, guys, so you guys understand. I hope you guys enjoy the CELICA. I would like to take this CELICA, the car drives so good, the clutch is so good on it, transmission is so good. I would like to take this to the drag strip, but I want to let the paint cure for just probably another month. And then I might pay a shop to do a clear bra, because I tried to do clear bra and I'm not the best, and I tried to do wrapping in the past and I'm not the best. So I might pay a shop, or I might do some watch some how-to videos on YouTube and do it myself. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITCHDORE.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this reveal video. Just enjoy this thing. Wow, 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 wow. See you guys in the next video.